Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, the Battle of Waterloo took place in which year? Option A, 1801, option B, 1815, option C, 1824, option D, 1835. The correct answer is option B, 1815. The Battle of Waterloo, where Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated, took place in 1815. Next question is, the Salar Jung Museum is located in which city? Option A, Delhi. Option B, Mumbai. Option C, Hyderabad. Option D, Chennai. The correct answer is option C, Hyderabad. The Salar Jung Museum, which houses a rich collection of art and antiques, is located in Hyderabad, India. Next question is, the Titanic sank in which ocean? Option A, Atlantic Ocean. Option B, Pacific Ocean. Option C, Indian Ocean. Option D, Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is option A, Atlantic Ocean. The Titanic sank in the North Atlantic Ocean after hitting an iceberg on its maiden voyage in 1912. Next question is, the Suez Crisis of 1956 involved which two countries alongside Egypt? Option A, Israel and Saudi Arabia. Option B, Israel and United Kingdom. Option C, Israel and France. Option D, France and United Kingdom. The correct answer is option D, Britain and France. The Suez Crisis involved France and the United Kingdom against Egypt over control of the Suez Canal. Next question is, the Napoleonic Wars occurred during which period? Option A, 1700 to 1750. Option B, 1750 to 1800. Option C, 1820 to 1850. Option D, 1800 to 1815. The correct answer is option D, 1800 to 1815. The Napoleonic Wars were fought from 1800 to 1815 between Napoleon Bonaparte's French Empire and various European coalitions. Next question is, the Black Death struck Europe in which century? Option A, 12th century. Option B, 13th century. Option C, 14th century. Option D, 15th century. The correct answer is option C, 14th century. The Black Death, or bubonic plague, devastated Europe in the 14th century, killing millions of people. Next question is, the Nuremberg Trials were held to prosecute war criminals from which conflict? Option A, World War I. Option B, World War II. Option C, Korean War. Option D, Vietnam War. The correct answer is option B, World War II. The Nuremberg trials were held after World War II to prosecute key leaders of Nazi Germany for war crimes. Next question is, the Treaty of Utrecht of 1713 ended which conflict? Option A, Spanish War of Succession. Option B, Napoleonic Wars. Option C, 30 Years' War. Option D, Crimean War. The correct answer is option A, Spanish War of Succession. The Treaty of Utrecht, signed in 1713, ended the Spanish War of Succession and redistributed colonial territories. Next question is, who wrote the famous play Hamlet? Option A, George Bernard Shaw. Option B, William Shakespeare. Option C, Oscar Wilde. Option D, Christopher Marlowe. The correct answer is option B, William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare wrote the famous tragedy Hamlet, one of the greatest works in English literature. Last question is, the Indus Valley Civilization was primarily located in which present-day countries? Option A, India and Pakistan. Option B, India and Afghanistan. Option C, Pakistan and Iran. Option D, India and Bangladesh. The correct answer is option A, India and Pakistan. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the oldest in the world, was primarily located in present-day Pakistan and northwest India. Now it's time for practice question. The theory of continental drift was proposed by option A, Alfred Wegener, option B, Charles Darwin, option C, Carl Linnaeus, or option D, Harry Hess. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.